Oh, hey, how's it going? Hey, you, yeah, you. I needed to talk to you, okay? I need you to step into my office. You're not in trouble, okay? Not yet, anyway. But I do need to talk to you. I'm serious now. Get a cup of coffee and step into my office. We really need to talk, okay? It's important. This is serious. Me having a desktop computer in an office distracts people from the fact that I'm really an ex-convict fuck-up, okay? I'm really, this time, about a year and a half ago, I was at Santa Rosa Correctional Institution on close management because I couldn't even follow the rules in prison. I was already in prison, and I couldn't even follow the rules in prison, okay? So I don't know if you guys have noticed this, I have some politically extreme tattoos, okay? And I'm kind of a fuck-up, okay? But people give me a sense of legitimacy because I have an office and because I have a computer, okay? So I'm trying to give you guys the game. Why are you viewing your whole life from your cell phone? You wonder why you're depressed because if your goon cave consists of you getting home from work and doing this, let me tell you something, guys. Nobody that matters sits there doing this all day on a little tiny fucking screen, bro. Nobody that matters in the world conducts business only on a cell phone. Nobody. You think Donald Trump doesn't have an office and a computer? You really think Donald Trump doesn't have an office and a computer? Of course he does. Everybody that matters in the world has an office and a computer. You better get you one. Absolutely. You need to get an office and a computer, okay? The reason you're depressed, the reason your life sucks is because a lot of you guys that watch these videos, you're a nerd, just like I am. A nerd needs a proper goon cave. Your jerking off isn't even that good. Imagine having to jerk off on this tiny little screen. You have to jerk off to images that are this small and videos that are this small on this little tiny screen? You have to do that? I mean, come on, that's not even good for gooning. I'm just being honest, guys. This is why people are miserable. This is why you guys are miserable. Because, and your office doesn't have to be as fancy as mine, okay? It doesn't have to be as cool as mine, all right? It probably won't be as cool as mine. But that doesn't distract from the fact that, you need to have a computer, okay? If you aspire to ever be an important person, you need to get a computer. 100%. Why do you not own a desktop computer? If you're watching this on a cell phone, if all of your digital life is done through this, I see people walking around in public on these stupid phones. And when I'm in public, I want to be in the real world. I keep this thing in my pocket when I'm in public. Do you know why? Because I want to observe the real world around me. I don't want to be glued to this stupid little tiny screen. I want to look at a big screen. And when I'm out and about in the free world, I don't want to look at a screen at all. I don't want to look at any screen when I'm out and about in the free world, okay? I want to when I'm home, I want to put on my headset and I want to do serious work, okay? Serious work is done on desktop computers. Little kids play on phones. Men get work done on computers, okay? That's the truth. Little kids play with phones. Adults use computers. If you want to be taken seriously in the professional world, you cannot be sending freaking emails using your phone, bro. Just because your phone is capable of sending emails and editing video and stuff like that doesn't mean you need to use your phone for everything. Using your phone for everything is for plebeians. It is the cell phone is a device designed for plebeians, bro. You spend $1,500 on the fanciest new iPhone or whatever it's at now, okay? You spend a shit ton of money on a fancy new iPhone. You should be spending $80 on a cell phone, and you should be spending $2,000 to $3,000 on a desktop computer. If you know anything about processing power, if you know anything about ROI, return on investment, if you know anything about these types of things, then you'd know your money is better spent on a desktop than on a stupid cell phone. People are religiously devoted to the stupid cell phone, and they wonder why nobody takes them seriously. They wonder why they're not a boss. They wonder why they're not a badass. Because every boss, every badass, everybody that matters in the world has a desktop computer, okay? With the exception of stupid celebrities that have somebody else on a desktop computer for them. A whole team of people on desktop computers on their behalf. But celebrities are just man-children that won the lottery of fame, okay? A lot of these celebrities have no talent, and we all know that. And they just won the lottery of fame, and they have a bunch of nerds behind them on desktops doing their marketing on their behalf. Talking to you, Andrew Tate. Talking to you, Wes Watson. Wes Watson doesn't edit his own videos like I do, okay? I'm just being honest, okay? This is how you get taken seriously. You need to have an office. You're a nerd? Cool. Be a nerd all the way. Be a nerd all the way. You don't need to you shouldn't be a halfway nerd, okay? If you know you're a nerd, you need to be a big-ass nerd, a big-time nerd. You need to be a badass nerd. Be a nerd all the way. Don't be a nerd sitting there watching stupid 15-second videos on this stupid fucking thing. These phones are stupid, bro. And the people that use cell phones all day are plebs. It's plebeian. Even, to be honest with you, even using Windows is starting to feel pretty plebeian. I'm thinking about switching to Linux. One of my computers already uses Linux, okay? I'm getting tired of Windows. The only reason I like Windows is because I can play games on it, and it's compatible with a lot of the software that I use for gaming and video editing. Other than that, I really don't even like Windows. But we'll go down that rabbit hole another time. Guys, the reason you're miserable in life is because of this stupid phone, guys. When you're out in public, get off your phone. Have situational awareness. There's threats on the horizon, and there's opportunities that you're missing out on because you're glued to that stupid phone. When you go home, you need to be completely immersed on the internet with 2 monitors. Yeah, 2 monitors, or more than 2. Why not, right? At least 2. And you need to be completely immersed in the internet when you're on the internet. And when you're not on the internet, you need to be doing free world stuff and keep your phone in your pocket. That's my advice to you. If you take my advice, it'll change your life, okay? I'm serious. Keep your phone in your pocket. You can check all your emails on your computer in your office when you go home. If you're a real badass dude that has a place in the world that wants to be taken seriously, you need to fake it till you make it. You at least need to LARP like you're important. And you can't LARP like you're an important person. You can't live action role play like you're an important person if you don't have an office, okay? Having an office is one of the biggest flexes of all. Trust me, I love telling girls that I have an office. I love telling people to step in my office, okay? I also love having business cards, you know? You need to have an office, and you need to have business cards. I keep my business cards in this thing, okay? So you need to have an office and you need to have business cards. That's what you need to have. If you have those things, you're going to be taken more seriously by society. You need to learn how to use a desktop computer. That's how you're going to get work done, okay? You need that in the year 2026. Why the fuck do you not own a desktop computer? How are you going to be taken seriously without one? You need a desktop. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Jordan Jareb, signing off.